Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style home interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style home interior decor is a design approach that draws inspiration from the past, typically from the 1920s to the 1970s, by incorporating furnishings, accessories, and design elements that reflect the look and feel of those earlier eras. It is about celebrating nostalgia, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Key features of vintage style decor: furniture with history. Use antique or retro pieces like cloth tables, spindle-back chairs, or mid-century sideboards. Furniture often shows patina, wear, or distressing that adds charm. Carved lines, wood carvings, and ornate details are common. Next, color palette. Use soft muted tones like creams, pastels, dusty rose, mint green, or faded blues. Occasionally, punctuated with deeper hues like mustard yellows, forest green, or burnt orange. Materials and textures. Use natural materials like wood, cotton, lace, and metal. Textiles such as embroidered linens, crochet throws, floral fabrics, and tufted cushions. Use wallpaper with florals, damask, or tile patterns. Decorative accessories. Use vintage mirrors, old clocks, rotary telephones. Use framed black and white photos, postcards, or botanical prints. Collections like porcelain figurines, vintage books, or glass bottles. Lighting. Use candeliers, glass lamps, sconces with antique finishes, lamps with fabric or fringe shades. Mix and match styles. Combine pieces from different decades. For a lived-in, crafted look, mixing old and new elements is common, like vintage dresser with modern art. Popular subtypes of vintage style: shabby chic, soft, romantic, and feminine with distressed white furniture, mid-century modern vintage, clean lines and retro patterns from the 1950s to 1960s. Cottagecore or farmhouse vintage, rustic, cozy, and nature inspired. Why people love vintage decor? Adds character and warmth. Eco-friendly, reusing and repurposing old items. Evokes personal memories or a sense of history. Why does vintage really mean? Vintage typically refers to items that are at least 20 to 100 years old, but not old enough to be considered antiques, which are 100 plus years old. Vintage decor focuses on capturing the sense of a particular era, such as the 1920s Art Deco, 1940s wartime charm, 1950s retro dinners, or 1970s boho vibes, and blending it into a modern home setting. Rather than replicating the past exactly, vintage decor often reinterprets it for contemporary comfort. Room by room vintage decor ideas. First, living room. Mix and match furniture from different decades. Add a vintage trunk or suitcases stuck as a coffee table. Incorporate vintage picture frames and mirrors. Kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage platters and velour or messengers. Use retro style appliances in pastel colors. Use gingham curtains, farmhouse sinks, and wall mounted spice racks. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames or vintage wooden headboards. Use lace bedding and embroidered pillowcases. Dressing tables with oval mirrors and vintage perfume bottles. Bathroom. Use clawfoot bathtub or pedestal step. Use antique style pockets and towel jacks. Use patterned tiles or wallpaper accents. How to get the vintage look even on a budget. Thrift stores and flea markets. Great places for unique and affordable finds. DIY and upcycling. Paint old furniture, change knobs, or add vintage style decals. Mix old with new. Use vintage accents with modern furnishings to avoid a stuffy look. Use layering. Layer rugs, throws, frames, and accessories for depth and coziness. Keep it personal. Display inherited items, old photos, or personal collections. Understanding the essence of vintage style, vintage home decor is not just about old things. It is about reviving character, craftsmanship, and charm from specific eras in design history. The focus is on warmth, history, and storytelling through objects. It is about personality over perfection, product over cookie cutter, charm over minimalism. Key characteristics of vintage decor: historical influences. Each vintage interior often pulls inspiration from a specific decade or style movement. Era: 1920s Art Deco. Common features: glamorous geometric shapes, metallic finishes, mirrored surfaces. 1930s to 1940s uses floral fabrics, wartime simplicity, and soft colors. 1950s uses bright colors, retro dinner elements, chrome, atomic patterns. 1960s mod style, bold prints, low profile furniture. 1970s earth tones, patterned furniture, boho accents, sag rugs. Soft lived-in look. Items may be gently worn, faded, or distressed. A vintage space feels loved and lived in, not overly styled. Crafted collections. Vintage homes often include collections such as old cameras, radios, clocks, china sets, or teacups, vintage books or vinyl records, framed old maps or botanical prints. These are not clutter, they are carefully chosen for character and meaning. Common vintage decor items: retired telephones, suitcases used as side tables, doilies on furniture, typewriters, old fans, or sewing machines. Use framed needlework or pressed flowers. Also use oil paintings or slow-tip portraits. How to identify true vintage when shopping or thrifting? Look for signs of genuine vintage, maker's marks or labels inside drawers or under items. Also sign of aging, patina wear but not damage. Solid constructions. Older items tend to be sturdier. Search for brands or designers known from a specific era. Items made before mass production become the room, usually pre-1980s, are often better quality. Vintage decor in modern homes. You don't need an old house to enjoy vintage decor. Here is how to integrate vintage into modern spaces. Accent features. Add a vintage cabinet or armchair in a contemporary room. Layer textures. Mix vintage lace curtains with modern sofas. Color fusion. Use vintage pastels or earth tones alongside clean, neutral walls. Statement lighting. A vintage candlelight in a minimal dining room adds charm. Vintage interior decor is all about bringing warmth, personality, and history into your space. Whether you choose to focus on a single era like 1950s retro or 1940s cottage charm, or mix styles creatively, vintage design adds depth and meaning to your home. Global interpretations of vintage style. While vintage usually reflects Western design, especially American and European, from the 1920s to 1970s, different cultures have their own unique takes. Prince vintage, romantic, soft, and elegant. Use whitewashed furniture, tall patterns, candlelights, distressed mirrors, often overlaps with French Provençal or shabby chic. Italian vintage, ornate furniture, gilded mirrors, damask fabrics. Use rich color palettes like burgundy, olive green, and gold. Blend of classical and mid-century glamour. British Cottagecore use floral wallpaper, cozy textiles like cookers, antique teacups. Use mix of Victorian elegance with countryside simplicity. Japanese vintage 1950s saw era minimalism, sliding doors, thick furniture, vintage radios, emphasizes on natural light, soft colors, and handcrafted objects. Emotional and physiological appeal. Vintage decor appeals to the emotions and senses in this way. Nostalgia. Even if you did not live in that era, vintage pieces create a feeling of history, comfort, and timelessness. Sentimentality. Family heirlooms or inherited furniture bring emotional depth. Simplicity. Vintage design tends to slow things down, less thick, more analog comfort. Creativity. Hunting for the right pitch or upcycling an old find is rewarding. Restoration tips and DIY projects. Easy restoration projects. Paint old wooden furniture with chalk paint and distress it for a French vintage look. Reupholster vintage chairs using floral or velvet fabrics. Replace hardware, chair pulls, knobs with ceramic or brass vintage style ones. Use decor paste to add vintage prints to trays, boxes, or furniture. DIY vintage decor ideas. Print vintage wallpaper as art. Turn an old suitcase into a side table. Make a gallery wall with antique mirrors or black and white photos. Create a memory shelf with collected trinkets, books, and postcards. Vintage interior decor is all about bringing warmth, personality, and history to your space. Whether you choose to focus on a single era, like 1950s retro or 1940s cottage charm, or mix styles creatively, vintage design adds depth and meaning to your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.